Day 5 of work. Oh, we only did about an hour today. Little progress update. Cameron off to his boxing class. The first half of the haunted house is pretty much ready, so started putting up our plastic. We still got to put the roof on and all that, but this whole side is ready. And then we changed our mind. We're gonna still add a support and a wall here to block off our pool pump and all that stuff. And then this is gonna have a butcher shop style curtain that you have to go through. And then instead of doing plastic over here, we put up a bunch of different size and pieces of plywood and different things to kind of give it an eerie feel. This is basically, we were going to put black plastic all over it, but we decided to give it a little different feel. So we're going to paint everything in here white and then throw blood all over everything. I think it looks really good, so it's coming along. And then there will be a door right here. And then again into the pirate ship. We really utilized all these fence boards, all the corrugated that we got, some chains and stuff, and we opened up this window. So you got this window right here that'll see into the pirate gold battle over here. And then still we haven't decorated really at all, but the pirate ship is constructed as well, so we don't really need to do much more on the pirate ship besides add a few things. We still got to change out, we're going to change out this board right here, and then we still got to build all of our verticals all the way across, because this is going to be fully enclosed, and the only place you'll be able to see out of is right here, where there will be a window so you can kind of see the battle going on down there. And then this side over here hasn't really changed much. Kaylee over here putting in work as always. This side hasn't changed much. We still got all the support up. We did come and start to lay out our stuffed animal room. So this is going to be a floor to ceiling from here over and then over of all stuffed animals. And this room is going to be really bright and light. So nothing much has changed over here. We kept the layout the same, and we still got to add all of our top supports to just secure everything. Still got to paint that, which that'll be done this week too. And then we did start laying out a bunch of our decorations and stuff. We only did about an hour and a half today. We're gonna go to Home Depot right now. We're finally about to spend our first little bit of money. So far we haven't spent any money on anything that's here. Everything was donated, or someone gave us a lead on where there was free material at. So everything, all these fence boards, all the corrugated, I mean everything was donated. So we're $0 in right now. No money spent. Oh, I take that back. I'm sorry. We did buy a roll of black plastic, which we're gonna have to buy another roll too. And we did buy 2 buckets of screws because we need all that. I mean, we went through everything we had already, and we had to go buy a bucket of screws. And then obviously we had to get the plastic because we ran out of the stuff that we had from last year. So we're about $100 into this with the plastic and the screws, which is not bad at all. And then we're gonna go spend some money today on 2x4s. So after today we'll probably be about $200 into it. And I mean, this is a massive haunted house for $200. And at the very end, when everything's done and set up, I'll give you a full breakdown of what everything costs, what we spent money on, and all the things that were donated.
All right, what's up everybody? We're on day 6. We haven't recorded much. We got a big update. So we're gonna do a walkthrough of today, show you guys what we got going on. Kaylee, Dylan, Cameron, me, we've been putting in work. All right, so we're coming in the gate. All right, we got all the plastic up. We still got to build him something.
Yep, we do.
Still got to build that guy something. We still got to put on all the roofs. Wall going up here, door going up here. Got our meat room. Kaylee painted it all white. Now we're going into the pirate ship. You see, we got our bridge all done, blocked off. Got to get that light going over there. Who put that there? But
Wasn't me.
100% Dylan put that there. Got the bridge, our outside. Okay.
This will probably be the brightest on.
We haven't finished this area yet. We kind of screwed ourselves and we don't know how we're going to enclose this area. But we'll move past that. Yeah. Got all of our, this hallway right here is going to be pitch black. There's going to be no lights in this hallway. This is going to be Dylan's room. This is going to be floor to ceiling stuffed animals. We're going to go over here. Look, we got tools everywhere. And we decided to leave the pallets exposed on this side because it's kind of industrial carnival-ish. So you can see we started hanging a few things and putting stuff up. Kaylee painted this today. This is the wall that we had donated. Looks super sick. She's still got to go back and give these guys some clown faces, but looks great. Oh, we forgot one piece of plastic. We still got to plastic this right here. Top to over there. Yeah. Yeah. But this is the entrance to the circus. I don't know how much we'll be able to see. The light should be able to see, but it gets really dark in here. So Carl, this, we decided to leave this here too. We're going to paint something on it or draw something. We ended up making a couple pockets right here to put some decorations that aren't flat on the wall. We did that twice. And then here, we don't know what we're doing over here anymore. So we got to figure that out.
Any ideas? Send me the comments.
Yeah, anything you guys got, put it down there. There's a little overview.
Scary skeleton.
Still got to finish the alleyway, and we got a ton of decorations over here right now. So, and then we got our scarer shortcuts that we made. Throw some roofs on here, and we're good to go. But right now we're going to start getting, not today, but maybe tomorrow on day 7, we're going to start getting decorations put in their place where they need to go. What's up?
What's up, guys?
Hi.